ChatGPT is changing data science and becoming a must-know in interviews. But do you know how to answer questions about it? Let's change that. Welcome to Ace Data Interviews, your definitive source for mastering data science interviews. This is Bob, Harvard University PhD. We drop new videos every Friday packed with insights you won't find anywhere else. If you're serious about acing your next interview and staying ahead of the curve, hit that subscribe button right now. Let's dive in. What's the buzz around ChatGPT in data science interviews? Let's unpack it. Firstly, ChatGPT is setting new benchmarks in NLP. In data science, ignoring this is not an option. So why do interviewers quiz you on this? Two reasons. One, ChatGPT has practical applications that businesses are tapping into. Think automated customer service and data analytics. Knowing this model can offer you a real competitive edge. Secondly, questions about ChatGPT serve as a litmus test for your adaptability and thirst for knowledge, even if NLP isn't your specialty. Showing that you're up to date and curious about advances like ChatGPT can win you major points in an interview. Let's get into the nuts and bolts. Imagine two candidates being asked to explain how ChatGPT works. Candidate A says, I don't really work on NLP. I think it is a pre-trained model using tokens. And candidate B says, I don't work on NLP, but I have read Google's Transformer paper and OpenAI's 2022 paper. ChatGPT is a generative pre-trained transformer model. Generative refers to text creation. Pre-trained means it's been trained on large datasets, and transformer speaks to its architecture. In architecture, ChatGPT is decoder focused, using attention mechanisms to zero in on specific parts of input text. Who do you think will get the offer? A quick tip: questions on transformer architecture, attention mechanisms, and tokenization often pop up. Know these terms well. Some of the top 3 most likely questions on ChatGPT are: 1. How does the attention mechanism in ChatGPT work? 2. Can you explain the significance of a pre-trained model like ChatGPT in data science applications? 3. How would you evaluate the ethical implications of using generative models like ChatGPT? These questions aren't just trivia. They test your understanding of ChatGPT's technology and its broader implications. Nail these and you will impress any interviewer. You know what ChatGPT is and what questions to expect. Now let's discuss how to prepare effectively for these curveballs in your interviews. The first step is understanding the core papers and articles about ChatGPT and transformer models. Key sources include original research papers and documentations. The better you grasp the foundational literature, the more confidently you can answer questions. I recommend Google's original Attention is All You Need paper and OpenAI's March 2022 paper that explains the architecture of ChatGPT. They offer in-depth insights that will set you apart from other candidates. I'll put the links to these papers below. Next, experiment with ChatGPT-based projects. It could be a text summarization or perhaps a chatbot creation. The goal is to go beyond theoretical understanding to gain practical experience. Try building a FAQ bot for a simulated customer service scenario, or try your hand at automating content generation for a blog. Don't overlook the ethical dimensions. Generative models like ChatGPT raise questions about data privacy and misinformation. Be prepared to discuss these issues. You now know why ChatGPT is a hot topic in data science interviews and how to prepare for it. But preparation is a continuous process. Let's solidify your next steps. Theoretical knowledge isn't enough. You need hands-on experience. Platforms like Coursera and others offer courses that dive deep into ChatGPT and generative models. These courses allow you to apply what you have learned in real-world projects. I'll put links of some of my favorite courses below. You have made it this far into the video. Clearly, you're committed to acing your interviews. If you found value here, don't hesitate. Hit the like button and share this video. Please also comment on what other areas of data science interviews you want to see. You can now ace your data science interview and large language models with absolute confidence.